people around the valley know Valle Del Sol, a pillar in the healthcare community in Phoenix since 1970. But not everyone knows the driving force behind the organization, and that's by design. Kurt Sheppard started there in 1999. In 2011, he became the organization's CEO, and his impact on healthcare has been immeasurable. After 20 years in the U.S. Air Force, Kurt wasn't done serving. His commitment to helping others make positive changes in their lives made him a perfect fit for his new mission, leading Valle Del Sol. His leadership has been marked by mentoring those around him to better serve the community while he stays behind the scenes. He always made sure his staff and members received accolades for the organization's success. While best known for his leadership and innovation in the area of integrated care, Kurt's legacy goes far beyond that and will have a lasting effect on all who've been touched by Valle Del Sol.
His vision was big, and he got the resources together to make it happen. Because sometimes people have big visions, but it's all just a vision. There's no action steps that take place afterwards. And he was able to create a culture where the team and the whole leadership supported his vision and made things happen.
He's a tireless advocate for the people we serve.
He was the voice that was heard in the room. And I don't think people would stop and listen to him unless they felt that he understood, right? And that he was able to share something that may be tough to hear, but needed to be heard.
Oftentimes people are afraid sometimes to be frank, and Kurt was never afraid to be frank.
He looked at it from the other perspective and what that would look like to help our behavioral health patients with their healthcare needs, their dental needs, their other needs outside of the behavioral health, and bring them in, and how that could help sort of bring a one-stop shop in and sort of help the whole person.
You know where you land with Kurt, and we appreciate that. You get really honest, kind of transparent conversations that really lead to the best outcomes.
He isn't a person that follows norms. You know, he is always pushing staff, other providers and other organizations to do better, to be better, to try harder, to do it for the community, to do it for the right reasons, and really questioning whether or not we were uplifting the whole community and what we were working towards.
Kurt's collaboration across the system led to improvements in the delivery of integrated services for the community. But his impact stems from his commitment to mentoring his team so they can continue the work he started.
He has a real understanding of what they do and how their work impacts the patients, and he takes that forward and he develops strategies around that.
He's a leader that really sets a high bar and, really expects people to rise up to that level of commitment. He hears the potential in others, and he maximizes upon that potential and helps those individuals to see it in themselves.
He is very focused on making sure that their workplace is one in which they can thrive. And he is all about catching people doing things well and not catching people making a mistake, which I think is unique in a leader. And I think it's a quality that he excels in.
When we create that culture of hard work and having a good work ethic, and it's contagious, it spreads all over.
He has made a difference. He needs to hear that he has made a difference. And I would say, Kurt, you need to accept this. You need to allow others to honor you, because we all feel that you should be honored. And it's our way of saying thank you.
Kurt, congratulations on this award. Thank you so much for all the years that you've worked for Valle Del Sol, worked with me. I will miss you tremendously. Our employees will miss you.
Congratulations, Kurt, on your retirement. I'm going to miss you. And who in the world am I going to raise hell with at all these meetings?
Kurt, congrats. You will be missed. You're the best CEO ever. Thank you for everything.
Kurt, congratulations on your retirement. We cannot thank you enough for your partnership over the years with Mercy Care. I can't thank you enough for the friendship that I have with you.
Thank you for leading our organization. Thank you for
helping grow me. We're gonna miss you so much. Good luck. You're on speed dial. Gotta answer.